Tired of the endless cycle? You know, waking up to that same alarm clock, battling traffic, only to spend 8 hours grinding away at a job you might not even like? Living paycheck to paycheck, always feeling like you're one unexpected expense away from disaster? Let me tell you, there's a better way. It's called passive income, and it's your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that money is flowing into your bank account, even while you're sipping your coffee or pursuing your passions. One of the most powerful ways to build passive income is by putting your money to work in the stock market. Think of it like this. Instead of trading your time for money at a job, your money is out there working for you 24/7, generating more money. Now I know what you might be thinking, investing is risky, and you're right, it can be, but that's why it's crucial to educate yourself. Start small and diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps to mitigate risk and create a more stable passive income stream. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, informed decisions and letting your money grow over the long term. With consistency and patience, you'll be amazed at how quickly your passive income can snowball. In today's digital age, your voice is a valuable asset, and podcasting is a fantastic way to monetize it. Find a niche you're passionate about, whether it's personal finance, true crime, or even underwater basket weaving, and share your knowledge and insights with the world. The key to a successful podcast is consistency and high-quality content. Consistently releasing engaging episodes will attract a loyal audience. And once you've built a solid listener base, you can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, advertising, and even selling your own products or services. The best part? Podcasting is a relatively low-cost business to start. All you really need is a decent microphone, some basic editing software, and a platform to host your podcast. And of course, your unique voice and perspective. If you're comfortable being in front of the camera, starting a YouTube channel could be your path to passive income. Just like podcasting, the key is to find your niche and create engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Think about what you're passionate about and what you're good at. Could you teach people how to cook delicious meals on a budget? Are you a whiz at DIY projects? Do you have a knack for explaining complex topics in a simple, easy-to-understand way? Once you've identified your niche, start creating high-quality videos that people will want to watch and share. As your channel grows and you attract more subscribers, you can monetize your content through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and even selling your own merchandise. YouTube has made it easier than ever to turn your passions into profits. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and then you can sell them an unlimited number of times. This makes digital products an incredibly scalable and lucrative source of passive income. So, what kind of digital products can you create? The possibilities are endless. You could write and sell ebooks, create online courses, design and sell templates or stock photos, develop software or apps, or even compose and sell music. The key is to identify a need in the market and create a high-quality product that solves that need. Once you've created your digital product, you can sell it through your own website, online marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon, or even through social media platforms. In today's digital world, having your own app or website is like owning a piece of prime real estate online. It's a powerful way to reach a global audience, build your brand, and generate passive income. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm not a developer. I can't build an app or website. And while it's true that you need some technical skills to build a complex app or website from scratch, there are plenty of user-friendly platforms and tools available that make it easier than ever to create a professional-looking online presence. You could build an e-commerce website to sell products online, create a membership site to offer exclusive content and community features, or even develop a mobile app that solves a specific problem for your target audience. The key is to identify a need, build a solution, and then monetize it through advertising, subscriptions, or direct sales. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. It's a win-win situation. The business gets more exposure and sales, and you earn a passive income stream without having to create your own products or handle customer service. The best part? Almost every major company has an affiliate program these days. You can find affiliate programs for everything from fashion and beauty to travel and technology. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program and choose the products or services you want to promote. Then, you'll need to create content, such as blog posts, social media updates, or even YouTube videos that promotes those products or services to your audience. Whenever someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. People crave connection and belonging. Building a membership community around your passion or expertise allows you to foster those connections while also generating a recurring stream of passive income. Think about what you're passionate about and what kind of community you could build around it. Could you create a community for fitness enthusiasts, a support group for entrepreneurs, a mastermind for artists and creatives? Once you've identified your niche, you'll need to create a platform for your community to connect and engage. This could be a private Facebook group, a Slack channel, a dedicated forum on your website, or even a combination of these platforms. The key is to provide value to your members through exclusive content, live events, and a supportive community environment. You can monetize your membership community through monthly or annual subscription fees. Are you an expert in something you're passionate about? Do you have knowledge and skills that others would pay to learn? If so, creating and selling online courses could be your ticket to passive income. Online learning is booming, and there's a huge demand for high-quality courses that teach people valuable skills. The best part? You only have to create the course once, and then you can sell it over and over again. To create a successful online course, you'll need to choose a topic you're knowledgeable about, structure your course content in a clear and engaging way, and market your course to your target audience. You can host your online course on your own website or use a platform like Udemy or Teachable. Real estate investing has long been a proven path to building wealth and generating passive income. While it does require a significant upfront investment, the potential returns can be substantial. One popular strategy is to purchase rental properties. This involves buying a property and then renting it out to tenants, generating a steady stream of passive income from rental payments. Another option is to invest in commercial real estate, such as office buildings or retail spaces. Commercial real estate can offer even higher potential returns than residential real estate, but it also comes with higher risks and requires a more significant investment. Remember, real estate investing is not without its challenges. You need to carefully research the market, choose the right properties, and be prepared to handle tenant issues and property maintenance. So there you have it, 9 incredible paths to unlock financial freedom with passive income. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but don't let fear or procrastination hold you back from building the life you deserve. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. And be sure to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this journey to financial independence.